Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest on Revolut, a popular financial app that allows users to manage their money and invest in various assets. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account, which you can create by downloading the app and following the sign-up process. Once you have your account set up, navigate to the Investments tab, where you can browse through the available investment options, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Revolut offers a range of products, including exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which track a specific index or sector, and individual stocks, allowing you to invest in your favorite companies. Before you start investing, it is essential to understand the risks involved. Investing always carries some level of risk, and you may lose some or all of your money. To minimize your risk, it is crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets. Revolut allows you to set up a diversified portfolio with a few taps, making it easy to get started. To invest on Revolut, follow these steps. First, choose the asset you want to invest in, and click on it to view more details. You can then set the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. Revolut will handle the rest, and your investment will be added to your portfolio. It is also important to keep an eye on your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. Revolut provides real-time updates on your investments, allowing you to track their performance and make informed decisions. You can also set up price alerts to notify you when a particular asset reaches a certain price. In addition to investing, Revolut also offers a range of educational resources to help you improve your investment knowledge. The app provides news and analysis on market trends, as well as tips and guides on how to invest successfully. By taking advantage of these resources, you can become a more confident and informed investor. In conclusion, investing on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By understanding the risks and benefits of investing, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed, you can make the most of your investments and achieve your financial goals. With Revolut, you can invest in a range of assets, track your performance, and adjust your portfolio as needed, all from the convenience of your mobile device.